we think about the value of safe and valuable technology. Based on our creative and innovative management, we will live up to the trust of our customers with excellent quality. A safe and happy world. TYC Company Limited will walk with you. TYC Company Limited was founded in 2018 based on the management philosophy which claimed that only the creative and innovative management and excellent quality and technology can enhance the competitiveness of a company. Starting as a company specialized in the production of corrugated cardboard packaging materials with passion and effort for quality, TYC operates its second plant in Hwaseong, Gyeonggi-do, and moved its headquarters by completing a new production plant in Gyeongju in March 2021. Furthermore, via the full-scale R&D and investment, we have developed the industry's first automated paper bobbin production system, based on which we are equipped with the nationwide production infrastructures and the systematic supply system, and are strengthening our position in the industry by reducing costs on top of securing the quality competitiveness. Moreover, starting with a patent application for a robot automation system that has not been attempted by other companies, it has been recognized for its finest technology by securing the domestic and foreign quality certifications, such as Excellent Technology Company Certification, Management Innovation Type Small Business Certification, and ISO 14001 and the 9001 acquisition. TYC Company Limited has produced the round paper bobbins and paper boxes for packaging used for the parts packaging of automobiles and electronic products. Currently, we are supplying products for Korean Aptiv Connection Systems LLC, a Korean subsidiary of Aptiv, a global automotive electronics devices company, and for the workshops of KUM LLC across the nation. Our main product, paper bobbin, is used to package terminal products and various rubber tubes used for various electronic products. And when a standardized round paper bobbin is made and delivered, the supplier wraps the chip of the automobile part to ensure against damages, places it in a box, and delivers it overseas. It is an eco-friendly product which not only protects and delivers the customer's products more safely, given its excellent strength and cushioning power, but also produces such a little environmental pollution during the manufacturing process because of the use of the paper raw materials. Other than which, we are making more than adequate efforts to package and deliver our customers' valuable products far more safely by producing various types and sizes of paper boxes. We have developed an automated production system using a high-tech robot for round paper bobbins, which were manually produced, and applied them to the field, and currently 2 production lines are in operation. The automatic paper bobbin production system has not only maximized productivity by automating via high-tech robots the manufacturing process of placing the paper bobbin fabric and applying glue to the paper tube, focusing it onto the middle of the bobbin fabric before the glue hardens or flows. The defect rate in the customer's automatic production line has been exponentially improved. Furthermore, we have minimized the rate of defect in the production process by installing the vision and confirming that the position of the center joint is accurate in the process of making the product. Given the introduction of the automation system, the production time per process has been reduced to 9 seconds, and the annual production capacity of paper bobbins reaches approximately 1 million units, and currently approximately 700,000 units are produced and delivered. In addition, by building a smart plant in the production process in line with the change of time, we are promoting work efficiency and quality improvement by computerizing order replacements, production plans, client orders, raw material warehousing, production, and shipment. TYC will promote technological innovations based on the continuous R&D and investment, and will also grow into a sustainable business partner that can make the customer's valuable products far more valuable. TYC Company Limited.